Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2005 Chevy Colorado doing a thermostat. It says 3.5 motor. Driver's side wheel well. Got one bolt there, one bolt right above it. You may not be able to see it. I haven't seen that before. You can take off the tire, which is what I did because I'm short. My arms aren't long enough to reach back in there. So I took the tire off. Was able to get to that bolt there, drain the coolant out. Hose clamp, because this was an old hose, the hose clamp was really fun getting back on, so I just put a worm gear clamp on instead. By the book, this pays like an hour, and I'm going on about 35 minutes, even with the burping and the coolant out. This is not that big of a job. Like I said, I did jack. Oh, there's supposed to be a fender liner here, which someone has decided to remove that for me already. Yay! Made it simpler. But that's the only thing you have to do is remove that fender liner, and you can see that thermostat sitting right there. Here's the output. So, pretty plain Jane, simple. Air bubbles, yay. So, any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.